Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You begin by creating a clean, responsive route. Add a screen GUI and one frame that will host everything. Use scale for size and position so elements adapt to resolution. Set anchor point to 0, 5, 0, 5 and position to 0, 5, 0, 5 to center reliably. Once done, group related elements inside that frame and name them clearly. Make sure to turn on the Properties and Explorer panels. This lets you tweak constraints and test changes quickly without guessing. You now add constraints and layouts to make behavior predictable across devices. Place UI aspect ratio constraint on components that must keep shape. Use UI size constraint to limit extremes. For groups, add UI list layout or UI grid layout so children auto-arrange. Adjust padding and sort order for visual rhythm. Use scale values for spacing so margins grow with screen size. Once arranged, lock elements you're satisfied with and test with different device presets. To confirm how spacing, you finish by systematically testing and refining. Switch device presets and resize the Studio viewport to catch edge cases. Use GUI service or safe area APIs to respect notches and top bars, and set minimum and maximum sizes to avoid tiny or huge UI elements. If something looks off, inspect anchor point, parent frame scale, and any layout priorities that might override sizing. One troubleshooting tip: if elements shift unexpectedly, disable layouts temporarily to identify which constraint or parent property is forcing the change.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.